Welcome back everyone to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to make a coffee. You need coffee grounds, coffee filters, sugar, creamer, coffee pot and maker, and cleaning supplies. Firstly, put a coffee filter in the back filter holder. Add 4 tablespoons of coffee grounds for 8 cups of coffee and spread evenly in the filter. Pour water into the coffee pot up to line 8 for 8 cups and carefully pour deep water from the pot into the machine's water reservoir. Now, place the pot back on the burner handle facing out. Then press the select or off button to choose your brew strength, regular or strong. Press once for brew now or twice for delay brew, and we'll choose brew now. Press the button to turn the coffee pot on and make sure the brew light is on. Wipe up any spills from the water or coffee grounds, and once brewing is done, pour into your favorite mug and add sugar and creamer if desired. Stir and sip. Just a pro tip, for richer flavor, use filtered water and freshly ground beans and your coffee is ready. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.